Hi guys, it is the quick video and it is the new storage box of tools and it is tools and let's see to open that. There is what's inside. Okay, and where is the tools here and why are you taking like two batteries of vape and it is the battery is RC and it is the tools is the brush. There is the Phillips head screwdriver and to take it this tools and to take it my Phillips head screw. Takes here's a flathead screwdriver. Here is the box. This toolbox here is take it as some long nose pliers and going to take it as there is the electric tester. It is the tools. There is the power tester here. Take it as pliers here. There is the pliers here. There is part screws, nail cutter, and when you take it, there's a battery, blue battery for fan, for white fan, JBL speaker cable. There is the battery here. There is some strippers, Nitsuyoshi, some pliers grip. There you go. There is the tools here. Let's see this the price. 5 and 12 set screw driver, long nose pliers. Here is a small nail cutter. This the battery, blue battery. Take this part screws. There is the yellow battery for RC car. JBL cable. Okay, so there is Nitsuyoshi colored electrical tape. 3 colors this electrical tape: red, white, and black. So there is the storage box. Those and there is the storage box of those. There you go. So next step, there is the X-Star vape battery charger. And there is the box, these tools. And there is the Nikon digital camera Coolpix L3. It is the came on February 21st, 2006. And it is the no battery digital camera. It is the no software CD. And it is the Nikon Corporation Japan. So there is the software and cables. That way is the audio cable for this is the adapter. Here is the adapter here. There is the softwares and cables, and there is the audio cable for Nikon. There is the Ferrari 21st 2006. There is the cable. This is a Nikon charger battery. There is the compilation for Japan, and which is the made in China. Let's open that. So there is the Nikon Coolpix MH71 battery charger. So there is the Nikon this battery, and it is the no battery in the box for no box. And right there is the Coolpix digital camera for Nikon Coolpix. There is 2006 Ferrari 21st for digital camera from Nikon, and there you go. Very nice. This is the new storage box. So there is the new new 2-box storage box, and then close the script. Very nice. Thanks guys for watching, and see you next video.